do not want to die of lung cancer. As a matter of fact, I acquired Burgess disease for smoking. That is why my doctor is here. She gets my blood. Was it? See? Almost every other day. And I said, Doctor, leave me some to survive. It's just a week. It's about Burgess disease. But I've stopped smoking. When I became mayor in Davao City, I stopped smoking. They said, it cannot be done because Filipinos, blah, blah, blah. We will see. And I said, if I catch you smoking in public, you'll just have to eat your cigarette. Choose. I blow your balls out or you eat your cigarette.